Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is MBA podcast with Priya. Currently, हम हैं वेलिंकर में, and Priya is second year student from Wellinger, and she has bagged a very good package in HR domain. I would love to disclose that that's 21 lakhs per annum. maybe खुद shock था कि भाई HR में इतना बड़ा package मिलना is unbelievable. Priya, welcome on board. Happy to have you. I would love to understand little bit about yourself. Like आप कहाँ से हो? Which exam you gave, to crack Wellinger?
So I am from Lucknow, the city of Nawabs, as everyone know. I only gave CMAT exam for getting into Wellinkers because at the time when I was applying for MBA colleges, I was working. So I did not have time for preparation and everything. So I prepared only for like 1 month and just gave the exam and got a good percentile, which was 97. And got admission in Wellinkers. Wellinger was my top priority while giving CMAT because I was not so prepared for JBIMS and Simshri. That's why, Wellinger.
Have you applied to any other B schools, like for example in the same category, if I'm not wrong, maybe Great Lakes or any other college for that matter?
I did apply for Great Lakes, but not for the Chennai branch. I applied for Gurgaon because Chennai was not my city. And then I applied for IMT Nagpur as well, IMI Bhubaneswar. These were the colleges.
So the best lot, best brand definitely was Wellinger.
Wellinger, yes.
Now, I would love to understand that why you preferred Wellinger for HR, because I understand that Wellinger is good for most of the stream, by the way, business design ho gaya, sales and marketing ho gaya, business analytics ho gaya, HR ho gaya. But I want you as a student, tell the students in the market why one should be preferring Wellinger for HR. Reason being, HR के लिए ज़्यादा अच्छे options नहीं है market में. अगर मैं B school को rank भी करूँ, तो ज़्यादा अच्छे B schools नहीं है, and Wellinger is one of that choice which is rising now. For that I think Wellinger should be given a priority. So you tell us why Wellinger for HR.
So like everyone else, I had my doubts as well. And I was looking at the packages, placements per se. So Wellinger in HR also had a good placement in the manufacturing sector because manufacturing is the only sector which offers a higher package in HR.
Oh, nice.
Yes. So considering a manufacturing industry, after the engineers, HRs are given a very high priority because you have to manage the labor laws, the employee relations, everything. So after going through the placements of Wellinger, I was like, okay, there are doubts and chances that I might not get a good placement, but that is the bet I was willing to take. So yes, and till date, I feel that was a very good choice.
But were you confident, Priya, कि you have a 9 months of work experience?
Yes.
And you are a BCom honors, if I'm not wrong, right?
Yes.
Were you really confident कि यार, if I'm getting into a B school, जहाँ पे engineers भी होते हैं, बाकी लोग भी होते हैं, so was it really sure कि मुझे 20 के ऊपर ही salary चाहिए, or you were okay to get settled for 10, 12, 15 also?
I wanted a good ROI and like getting a good obviously you do not know whether you'll get a good package or not. It's just within yourself that you will give your best always. So when I was giving my interview, so basically I got a PPO. I did not get the executive placement here. I was I was interning with that company and they offered me a package of 21 lakhs as a PPO.
Wow.
So while giving the interview of that internship, I was not sure whether I'll get in the company or whether it's a good option for me. But I was willing to take the chances, and the interview I remember was done in just one day. In the morning, I was called at 7 a.m. and by the evening 8 p.m. I was selected.
Wow.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Okay, I'm going to ask you one more question that is connected to HR industry itself. Now, a lot of people feel that कि HR में 5-6 लाख का सैलरी मिलता है, HR का ग्रोथ ज़्यादा होता नहीं है, एक लेवल पे आके आपका ग्रोथ सैचुरेट हो जाता है. And whenever you talk about HR as a specialization or MBA in HR predominantly, you are only considering colleges like TIS हो गया, XLRI हो गया, या फिर कुछ बड़े IIMs like IIM रांची वगैरह हो गया, राइट? बट जो टियर 2 का जो बेल्ट है, वहां पे HR के लिए बहुत ज्यादा बच्चों को थोड़ा स्केप्टिसिज्म है. Do you agree that HR में ग्रोथ नहीं है या फिर सैचुरेट हो जाओगे अगर आप टियर 2 वगैरह से कर लेते हो तो?
Okay. So basically, first of all, it's a myth. There's no saturation. I was also told these things, but I was sure no, that's not true because now in this 2024 2023 era, The HR domain is evolving at a very rapid rate because you can see the HR analytics field itself. Analytics data point of view is in need of the hour. So I don't think it's getting outdated. Just the job roles are changing.
Okay.
The task, the roles and responsibilities of an HR are evolving. More digitization is coming along, and talking like you asked for tier 2 colleges, is it good or not? So while I was interning with that company, along with me there were other interns from XISS, baby IIMs. So I felt like okay, Wellinger has a good brand then, because we are at the same place here, and we are all are doing the same thing with the same package. So
True.
yeah,
True. Very well articulated. Last but not the least, what one should be doing for the resume to do really good in HR domain?
first is be really creative and good with your LinkedIn. That's very important.
Okay.
And in your resume, do not pretend something that you're not.
Be real.
Be real. Whatever you have done, try to do some good things, get some certifications, get something into Power BI or Tableau, or like any language. If you can learn, that is a very good thing to, because that stands out, because in HR is not expected to know all these things, but if he or she does, it's a very good thing. It stands out. So that is all.
Can guys do HR?
Definitely, I have guys in my batch also. And if a guy wants to go in HR and does not want to get tagged as a HR is not for male thing, so manufacturing is a very good option, because
Fantastic.
they have they need male HRs there.
Fantastic. Thank you so very much, Priya. Guys, I hope this video was helpful. And if you're looking for HR, and a kind of a B skill job, HR में एक अच्छा खासा package लगा दे, along with a good profile, by the way, then I think Wellinger is the option. Fine. We'll get more videos like this for you guys. Make sure that you like the video and subscribe to the channel. That's it from my side. Thank you so much. Thank you, Priya.
Thank you so much.